Warning. Warning, graphic content ahead. If you can't handle it, then don't hang out. First motorcycle bail. I think I hit my shoulder on a rock, so dislocated, I'm pretty sure. So ambulance didn't show up. It's probably for the best, honestly. So I'm walking back, 20-minute walk to town, and fortunately my girlfriend's helping me out, get me arranged with the doctor. So all good, another adventure. Well, folks, ride your motorcycles cautiously. I got a AC injury, dislocated my shoulder, and the ligaments are possibly ripped, so no bueno. Well, first full day laid up. Shoulder's like real swollen. All I can do is lay here because if I get up, it pops through. It pops through the skin, but it pops up. That's not good. So this is my life for a while. So third day, full day of recovery here with me, busted shoulder, and it's healing up. Does seem to be less painful at least, and yeah, the girl's taking good care of me. So shout outs to her. Shout outs to everybody. Help me out. Lots of love coming through. These are called cleaner ants. And yeah, they think that this is my drink. Get off my drink. I think they were eating me. Oh, I think they're eating me too. Ow! Just kidding. Oh! That's good.
Maybe that's good.
That's so much better. Well, day 5, I think. Happened on Thursday. Today's Monday. Feeling better. I didn't sleep much, but feeling like the shoulder's getting better. Able to move up in position. Exciting.
Yeah, before. Looking like an Asian part of the building. Man, I thought you were someone else. Ooh. Hey, why you walking in here smelling like cigarettes and... What, a failure? Listen, I ain't got time for this, bro. Can you hook me up, please? Another bottle? No, I just gave you 3 already. I don't need to be like somebody, bro. Hook it up. Come on.
Yeah. Birds keep me going. Well, day 5 of recovery here, and got myself a drone simulator, so practicing my skills for, I could get back piloting back to the skies. That's it?
Yeah. What? We'll fucking slap you.
It hurts.
What hurts?
Pretty good. Holy shit. What happened to my hair? Really darn. Well, I'm a new man, folks. Fresh as the day I was born. Actually, even fresher, I think. Look at that. Jeez, what a mess. That was where I used to lay. A crater.
All these crumbs.
There's crumbs. That's gross. Oh, more. Look at me. Look at my hair. Huh. It's thanks to this. That's a piece of tissue for me. She's a lifesaver. She's real ahead of her. She's actually ahead of her class. And now she's doing a bed up. She cooks some stuff. We got pizza today. Actually, it's been a dream. Yo, what's up? Another day. It's been a full week at this point. Check this out. My first braid. I got a ponytail. I got a ponytail. It's been a productive day. Got a strap system rigged up here for, see this? Aha. Right on the headboard. Allowing to, I'll show you. Kind of like that. Do some jogging. Yeah, I got another one rigged up over there on this side, so recovery, on the road to recovery. Tomorrow I think I'll be able to sling up and walk around. Pretty well healed for an 8th day, I'd have to say. I owe it all to Baby K, and also aloe, lots of aloe vera. I swear by it. It's good for a lot of things, even inflammation, come to find out. So using that aloe vera, ice in it, you know, recovering. But it's a beautiful night. Just wanted to share this night with you guys a little bit. Check this out. Well, hey, out and about. We just had breakfast, and yeah, it's so nice. First day out of the house in, 9 days, so.
For you.